Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 58 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, a 1/8 scale madmax car from our good old pals over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourselves and build one of these with me, and who wouldn't, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have one of these on your bench. Let's have a look through this week's magazine and see what we are up to. We're in stage 58 doing the alternator parts. For the alternator, they're assembled and the front fan pulley and fixing plate are fitted together, folks. And there's all our parts there that we got today, as well as some PS38 screws. Putting the casing together, putting on the essential part there of the fan assembly, pulleys, screws, all the bracketry going on. Nice and simple issue. And that's what we've got, a completed alternator and a pulley, folks. And we want to keep these parts together ready for future issues. So we'll be putting them in bags for safekeeping. Next up, you got the Morris 1100 and 1300, the Mini's grown-up brother. I remember seeing these when I was a young lad. The police one I remember seeing around the streets of London. You got the Wolseley version there. So yeah, back in the day, and that had the standard A series engine in it. Back in the days of what we in the UK called a Friday motor, which basically was built on a Friday, and where everyone finished early, it was pretty much all loose bolts and it'd fall apart the time you went over your first speed ramp. Yeah, so there you go. So that's that iconic car. So that's the magazine done. So we'll put that to one side and we'll sit and build this little alternator. So let's grab all of our bits and bobs like so. We are going with this piece here and this piece. Got a little keyhole and a woodruff key on there. So it goes together just like so. Okay. We'll have you a bit of that. We then want our assembly there to go in place like so. Just make sure it's facing the correct way, which it is. We then want pulley section 58G, which is that one with the two pegs on it, Colin. That's the one you wanted. That then sits over like that. Just make sure the pegs are locating in correctly. And then that's going to go in with the screw. So let's grab one of them. We'll drop a bit of oil on the end of you. Little twirligans just to get the oil down the threads. And then we can fire that together like that. So that's that done. Happy with that. We then want to grab our bracket. And that's going in with PS38 screws each side. So let's have you make sure we got that orientated neatly. Like so. We want it with this bracket or this bolt that's central on our right hand side at 9 o'clock and that one at 5 o'clock. We can then pop our bracket in like so. And then we can fit that to the alternator. Got a little peg on there, and then that will fit in place. So let's grab a screw. Let that do its thing. Then we can locate that bracket with a peg in situ. That then brings the hole into line. And we can fire our screw right down in there. Not fully tightening it until I get the top bracket in. Just in case I need a bit of adjustment. like that. Now we can spin it around, just like that. So that's what we want. Might as well put you on the screwdriver there. Drop a little bit of oil on you. And then we want to put both halves of this together. Like that. And then screw that together as well, folks. There's a little tiny screw hole just there. So let's put you together, and this is the bottom crank pulley. Like that. And then this we keep, along with this, ready for assembling in the next issue, folks. So that's us done for the day on that. Don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to Hachette's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this 1/8 scale Ford Falcon XB GT. In the meantime, to help me out, if you can click little fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel, I really do appreciate it, folks. Whilst you're there, hit the thumbs up. Hype the video for me, that recommends it to other people's feeds. Ring the bell also whilst you're there to get notified of upcoming and future content by selecting all. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.